It's very rare in the cocktail world that a modern classic comes to be, and this is one of the few cases. A bartender called Sam Ross from New York created a drink called the Penicillin, and it's been stuck in bartending folklore ever since. This is how it's made. Take 40 mils of blended whiskey, and I'm going to add to that 10 mils of Talisker. Talisker 10 to give it a real light smoky flavour. Just 10 mils. It's so intense, we don't need much of it. To that, I'm going to add 20 mils of lemon juice. And to the lemon juice, I'm going to add a blend of ginger and honey, which we've made into our own personalised syrup here at LCC. The honey is going to go beautifully with the whiskies, the smokiness of the Scotch, the lemon juice really just to cut through it. Now that they're all in, we're going to give it a great shake. And a quick taste. And that is why it's a modern classic. Into my rocks glass, I'm going to add some cubed ice. Into the cubed ice, I'm going to add my Penicillin. Finish simply with some crystallized ginger. That is the Penicillin.